Alex, I am really scared to not respond to him and to push him away. And I know it is difficult because you love him, because you want to be in a relationship with him, and because the connection is so strong. And when you watch my videos, you're like, okay, this French guy that is living now in Miami, that has coached over 100,000 people, is telling me to become distant. Exactly what I don't want. And I know about it, but just watch this video and I will explain to you. Ladies, my name is Alex Cormont. I'm your French relationship expert, and I love to assist you in the new way of dating, the new way of being in a relationship with a good man. Because I've coached so many women, they came to me and they say, hey, this guy is perfect for me. This guy is exactly what I was waiting for. And what was the issue? This guy was chasing them. He was nice. He was Mr. Perfect. But then he would disappear. Then he would start to become distant. And then after a couple of dates, couple of months, he doesn't know what he wants. The same guy that was so in love, so caring, so amazing. Now he has Alzheimer's. He doesn't know what he wants. Doesn't know if he wants to commit. Doesn't know if he's ready for a relationship. Doesn't know if you're the one. Because he has been hurt in his past. He was in a toxic relationship. I'm saying it this way, not to be funny, but to show you that I've seen your situation thousands of times. And when you would find him excuses, I would be the bad coach. Because I would be close to you and I would tell you, look, what he says doesn't make any sense. What I will tell you is you have a lot of value. You are really worth it. So when you would tell me, Alex, I'm scared to not respond to him. I'm scared to be distant. I'm scared to push him away. I would always respond to you and say, hey, it's normal. Ladies, it is normal. And I have one solution that I will explain to you in this video. But before I tell you what is the solution, I want to explain why the distance is very important. So, as you know, I started to become a relationship expert in 2007. And in my philosophy, we should talk when there is a problem. In my philosophy, when we find love, we stay together. But the more I learn with my experience, the more I train myself with neuroscience and NLP and coaching, I realized something very important. Men, we love to chase. We love to put you on a pedestal. When we are very emotional, it's because we want you. And I would say that in 50% of the situation in a relationship, 50% of people, they don't need a love coach. They don't need a relationship expert. Why? Because they met, for you ladies, because you met a guy that was emotionally stable, knows what he wants, is not perfect, but is steady in his efforts, and he make the relationship work. So if you talk about your situation to people, they would give you some advice and they would tell you, but love is easy, love should be natural, love, you don't have to play games. That is true for 50%, 50, of the population. Because these people, they make it work. For other 50%. This is where it becomes very weird but interesting. Men, they will be satisfied and they will want more if they are facing a challenge. So the idea is not to not respond to him. The idea is, how can I become a challenge? How can I make him value me? How can I make him give me more attention? That is where we are right now. So what I want you to understand is that you can respond to him. It is possible. I'm allowing you to respond to him. I'm nice, I know. Seriously. You just have to take your time and make your life busy. You have to take your time and make your life busy with new actions, new activity. You have to feel great. You have to feel positive. You have to feel that you're enjoying the moment. You have to shine. You have to shine. This is so important. You have to show some beautiful energy. You have to show that you enjoy your life. That is how you can be naturally a challenge. So, I understand that not responding to someone, first of all, it's not part of your value. You won't ghost someone. It's not you, right? And I understand that it's scary because it seems that you're not interested, when in reality, you want something special. But you need to understand that the only goal is to become a challenge. It's to make him work for it. Because remember, 50% of men are looking for this. They are looking for this. They want it. And if you're nice to them, if you're nice, you cook for them, you clean for them, you help them with their administrative papers, they will see you as a mother, not as a lover. And it starts with, I will make my life busy, so I will grab my phone and I will put it somewhere. And if I use my phone and I put it somewhere, then I have more time for myself. Then I won't respond so fast. Then this guy will start to value me more and more. This is how you can use naturally, without playing games, this idea of the push and pull. If you ask me, what is it? I've created some videos. They are for free. There is also an ebook. There is some messages, examples, everything to make him value you and engage in a relationship. This is for free in the description box right below. So I want you to click on it and get a new vision of the relationship, because you won't push him away. It's not because you decide that you won't respond immediately that you will lose him. That's not true as well. That's just part of your insecurities, part of your fears, and that is what we want to avoid. So, what I want you to remember, ladies, we are facing a challenge right now. The challenge of, if I continue to do the same actions, I won't get any better results. You will be sex friend, you will be in a one-sided relationship, and this is if you have chance. Because if this guy is toxic, you will end up losing yourself, maybe facing a narcissist. If you decide to change, more self-confidence, better communication, you make him fight for you, and you protect yourself. Because even if I talk about attraction as a relationship expert, I am very sad to look at today's situation. There is so much toxic relationship, crazy men that are destroying you. And I don't want that for you. That's why I'm doing my videos. That's why I'm telling you, if you want some private coaching, don't hesitate. I will be the coach on your side. And we can make it work together. The one thing that you need to know right now is that the distance will allow you to attract him more and more. I'm not asking you to create a bad relationship. I'm not asking you to create arguments. I'm not asking you to push him away or to do something detrimental. No, I won't ask you this. My idea, very simple idea, is that we can make it work. But you need to accept to step out of your comfort zone. So make your life busy. Put your phone on the side. Make sure that you're always positive when you respond. And if you feel that he's not happy about it, it is a good sign. Number one, because it shows that you're not so needy and available. Number two, because if he's not happy, it will give you more attention. And number three, because if he's not happy and he wants to make you lose self-confidence, he is very toxic. So you will be able to protect yourself from this crazy man. Now, if you don't know what to do, if you don't know what to expect, make sure to leave a comment just right below. We are here with the team to answer you. Make sure to click in the description box, grab your free gift, and make sure that you want to apply for the private coaching, because I will be able to assist you from A to Z. And that's a big change for you and your life. So remember to take care of yourself. Remember to trust yourself, join this community, and you will find a way to apply these tips with confidence. And you will see that this guy that was taking you for granted, he will stop immediately. So I'm glad to be your coach, and I see you soon for a new video.